Hi friends, in today's video I will be sharing information about the upcoming iPhone SE aka iPhone 9, its features, release date, price and rumors. Come, let's get started. Apple is all geared up to release the 2020 iPhone SE, which is one of the most anticipated iPhones recently. As we are nearing the release of iPhone 9 or iPhone SE 2020, there are several rumors floating around regarding the price, release date, features, and the name of the budget iPhone. Talking about the design and display, it is no doubt that the upcoming low-cost iPhone will have a small form factor as compared to the contemporary iPhone 8 in terms of design. Overall, we are looking at an iPhone with a screen size of almost 5 inches, given the iPhone 8 has a 4.7-inch display, metallic body with a glass back, no notch and no Face ID. And also we don't think that the Apple will include the 3.5mm headphone jack. As far as the specs are concerned, iPhone SE 2020 is set to run on an Apple A13 bionic chip that is offered in iPhone 11 series. Other than that, we are expecting Apple to offer a single lens rear camera with the same 12 megapixel. Budget iPhones are expected to come in red, white, black colors, according to the several rumors. Regarding the dates, Apple is expected to do a press release announcement on April 15th with a pre-order shipping from 22nd of April. Well, talking about the price tag, it is already known thing that the iPhone SE 2 is going to be a low-cost device. There are speculation that Apple could launch the iPhone SE 2020 with a price bracket of $350 to $400. If it launches at the expected price point, no doubt it would be one of the most popular budget iPhones in the market. If you are someone looking forward to upgrade your iPhone 6, 7 or even 8, don't want to spend $1,000 over a new iPhone, the upcoming budget iPhone SE 2020 would be a great choice. What do you think about the upcoming budget iPhone? Do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.